the difference in the AT Pro and the Pro Mode audio is what you hear. This is an old home site. There's a lot of kind of junky metal in the ground, a lot of trash. And I'm hearing a little bit of snapping and popping, you know, hearing a little bit of noise like that. That's kind of the nature of the beast with this style of Pro audio. I can switch it over to standard, and you'll notice that it's a little quieter. I'm getting an occasional mid-tone or high-tone signal for something, but it's very inconsistent. As opposed to switching it over to the Pro mode, I can kind of hear the snapping and the crackling and the popping, and that's okay, but what I want to listen for is repeatability and try to find a target that has a good, consistent sound. And when I find something like that, then I'm going to home in and try to dig that target. This one here is even bouncing around a little bit. I can kind of listen to it. I can look at my digital ID, and then now there, when I get, okay, that is consistent. So even I'm kind of ignoring the snapping and the popping and all that, but when I can get one that I can just go right back and forth over, and you know, the beauty of this double D is you can get right over that thing. And it's just showing about 6 inches deep or so. And I can kind of go back and forth, pinpoint it just by wobbling it. I'm going to call it right in this area, so I'm just going to dig a little small plug and see if I can come up with what that is. It's about an 86 or so it was reading, so that's better than where the pop tops and the cans read. So that's you know, usually silver or, you know, a good coin potentially. I hear it. Aha! There we go. It's a coin. It's oh, it's a quarter. Yeah. But anyway, you can see the difference in the Pro audio. Had a good, consistent, repeatable sound there, even kind of in the midst of all this trash and little bits of shredded up metal. And that's why I like the Pro mode, because you can work, if you can stand to listen to some of that, you will be able to home in on something that has a good, repeatable sound. And in the pouch that guy goes. And double check. And I got something else here that I'll have to figure out what it is, but after that we'll get back to the hunting. Let's see what that reads. That could be, yeah, that is a little piece of iron there, so that's why, you know, I was getting a lot of, like I said, bouncing around here. Here's, back in this area, kind of some of that snapping. And that's 27, 28, that's a little piece of junk that was right there with that coin, but I'm going to let that one go and go back and find something else that's good and repeatable.